Very exciting day. I'm changing the tool post from a manual tool post to a quick change one. But I think there's a problem. And try to tighten it up. It's not so good. I've got to take that out every time. That's irritating, isn't it? I need to make a better handle. Well, I've got stock. I could mill that down. That's probably a bit wasteful. Ooh, brass, that'd be nice. But that's kind of a bit wasteful as well. The OD of that's just far too big. I only need 20 mil. So it looks like I'm going to cast some stock. Well, we're going to alloy up some bronze. I've got my tin. It's actually pewter, but it's mostly tin. Looks like we'll get about a kilo at 10%. And I've got my enormous bucket of 20 kilos of copper granules, so that'll be fairly easy to measure out. Let's zero that. And now add 900 grams of copper. There you go. 900 grams. Makes a kilo. Perfect. Right, see you back in a bit. Okay, we're up to temperature, over 1,000 degrees centigrade. Let's pour some bronze. I've got some air on. Oh, it's hot. Into a sand mould. There we go. Well, here's the chunk that we cast. I've got some sand inclusion, so I'm going to wire brush it. I'll cut both ends off, then we'll chuck it in the lathe and see how it turns up, see if we've got some decent stock. Clean the casting up. I've got a lovely piece of bronze. Okay, this is what apparently makes us human and separates us from the animals. Okay, the moment of truth. There's our bronze captive something, nut I guess. Does it fit on the tool post? Ooh, it does. Looks good, snugs up. And then, hold on. Square peg, round hole. I need to put a square peg in a round hole. Don't have a broach. I could mill it and chamfer the edges out. Hit it with a hammer. But I've got a better idea. Okay, well we're going to try to use the laser to broach it. We're halfway through now. It's interesting, you can see the bronze change in colour with the heat from the laser. But it's digging down a square hole. And here it is finishing up the cut. And here it is in all its glory, crowning my mill with a lovely bronze cap. and it doesn't interfere with any of the tool posts. Smudged it. It's not good, is it? It's got to stay polished.